Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my GBP USD trading plan with you. If I look at the criterion on all the criterions on 1 hour time frame, they were already fulfilled by the market yesterday as RSI crossed above this 50 level and moving average crossover took place. Nevertheless, I didn't take any position in GBP USD because I wanted to wait for CPI release from the US today. After looking at CPI data, I found that there is no difference in CPI from the forecast data, and there is a negative difference of 0.1% in core CPI data from the forecast. So it's bad for USD, it's slightly bad for USD, and all the pairs are rising. But my decision is not solely based on this data, but I took this data as well into account for making the decision. Other factors are there on the 4 hour time frame. If you look at this slope of this oscillator MACD, you'll find that MACD has been making higher lows, whereas the price has been making lower lows. This is regular bullish divergence. So we had regular bullish divergence. We had all the criterion fulfilled on 1 hour time frame already yesterday. We have slightly negative core CPI from the US, and then I already have seen market breaking this range. So I took my buy position right after closing of this candle. So this is 9:03 a.m. Price is not very far from my entry price. My entry price is 39.06. So price right now is 39.12. So you can take a position. My stop loss is below this level. So this low is 38.451. So my SL is 38.43. Or I'll further modify it to make it 38.40 to make it 5 pips away from the previous low, because different brokers have slightly different price. So I believe that the low of this particular swing in every broker is not the same. So instead of keeping my SL just 1 or 2 pips below, I'll keep my SL in this GBP USD 5 pips below, because it's anyway more volatile than other currency pairs like euro dollar or odd dollar or NZD dollar. So my SL is at I'm going to move it to 38.40. So my total pips on the risk in this trade from 39.06 to 38.40. so this is 38.40. 6 to 6 pips is what I'm risking. Now let's calculate what target can we get. We don't have any ABCD kind of pattern here. Nevertheless, we can take this as ABCD. We can make let's remove unnecessary lines now to make the chart clutter free. We can consider this one as ABCD, A, B, and then CD, but I guess this has already been completed. There is a new ABCD in development, which can be this one, ABCD. So if we consider this recent ABCD and put the expansion tool here, the AB equals CD will give us a target of 39.69. so from 39.06 we will get 62 pips, which is not very less than the amount of pips I'm risking. So I'm risking 66 pips, and my reward is 62.7 pips. So I will place my TP at this point, 39.69. So that's a very simple way of finding the TP. Another way is to find 127.2% extension of the retracement, that is 127.2% of BC. Let's see which target will be given by this. Alright, so this will give us even nearer target, which will not be equal to our reward, and I believe there will be more upward movement, because this downward movement was very big, and upward retracement will take place even more than what I'm expecting, even more than 63 pips or 64 pips from my entry price. It will go above 39.69, I guess, but I'll try to exit my position as soon as possible, because overall trend has changed to the bearish on daily time frame. That's why my buy position right now is against the major trend on daily time frame. So that's all in short, and there is no upcoming news from Great Britain in this week. I think today is Wednesday, so I looked at the calendar. I didn't find any scheduled news for today, tomorrow, or Friday, and there is no significant news from USA either in this in the remaining days of this week. So I believe there will be no fundamental impact on this trade, and let's see what happens. So that's all. Thank you for watching.